Well, Houston has the third largest Venezuelan population in the United States, and tonight thousands could be at risk of losing their legal status.
The Supreme Court is allowing the Trump administration to move forward with ending temporary protected status, specifically targeting those who received TPS under the 2023 designation. KPRC 2's Ricky Munoz explains more and spoke to a local Venezuelan woman, an immigration attorney, and Republican leaders about what this means.
It's being called one of the biggest immigration rollbacks in recent history. Nearly 350,000 Venezuelans, many right here in Houston, could face the removal of their legal protections and face deportation. The program in question, temporary protected status, was expanded in 2023 to include more Venezuelans escaping unrest and economic collapse. Now the Supreme Court has given the Trump administration the green light to cancel that extension, putting tens of thousands at risk of removal. I met Carolina in Houston. She's one of thousands of Venezuelans living legally under TPS, and like many others, she's now questioning what comes next.
My family came first, and then I came. I've been here for a little over 2 years in the United States. And well, everything has gone super well. The news from yesterday has me unwell, and we are very concerned about the people who are under that legal process.
She's studying English at Houston Community College and says she's working hard to build a life here.
Yes, I am studying English in Houston Community College. I am trying to be a good person.
But that future feels uncertain now.
I'm very scared because not only because of me, but also because of other people who came here to work to help your family.
I also reached out to the Harris County Republican Party Chair Cindy Siegel.
President Trump was elected to do a job, specifically remove people that were here illegally that are criminals.
With deportations potentially weeks away, attorneys say TPS holders should take steps now before enforcement begins. What are 3 things you recommend for people who hold a TPS right now, specifically from Venezuela? 3 things they need to look out for or have in the back of their mind.
Okay, 3 things to have in the back of your mind. One, really, you should be consulting with an immigration attorney, and specifically an attorney, not a notario, because the attorneys were the ones who can go to court and who can practice the law, and there are a lot of people giving bad advice. Talking to someone independently about your situation versus even just finding information on Facebook or something. It's very important because every situation is so unique.
Now, one of the things that I've learned today is stay informed and know your rights. Attorneys and experts suggest for you to know exactly where you're getting that information from. Do the research before hiring an attorney. As far as Carolina, she's hoping to stay here a little bit longer to live that dream. Reporting in Houston, I'm Ricky Munoz, KPRC 2 News.